Good morning class. Today I want to describe about polynomial for class 9. Exercise 2.5 question number 15 part 1st. Concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration. My words is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Today I want to describe about suitable identity and its use. It means how you can find the possible expression of length and breadth of given rectangle. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Suitable identity is area of rectangle equal to length multiply breadth. It is suitable identity. You can use this identity for the following question, and you can find the possible expression of length and breadth of given rectangle. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Your question is very easy. You can solve very easily, but you concentrate your mind and listen my words with full concentration and see the board with full concentration. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share it in your friends. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. See the board. NCERT class 9 exercise 2.5. Question 50. Give possible expression for the length and breadth of each of the following rectangle in which their areas are given. First, area 25a square minus 35a plus 12. It means it is area of rectangle. You find possible expression of length and breadth. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Suitable identity is area of rectangle equal to length multiply breadth. It is suitable identity. You can use this identity for the following question, and you can find the possible expression of length and possible expression of breadth of given rectangle. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. See the board. 25a square minus 35a plus 12 is area of given rectangle. Area of given rectangle. It is area of given rectangle. Clear? Identity. Area of rectangle equal to length multiply breadth. Area of rectangle equal to length multiply breadth. It is clear? Now area equal to 25a square minus 35a plus 12. It is area of rectangle. Given here 12 and here 25. So you multiply 25 and 12. Here 12 multiply 25 equal to 300. Now you factorize 300. 300 divided by 2, you find 150. 150 divided by 2, you find 75. 75 divided by 3, you find 25. 25 divided by 5, you find 5. 5 divided by 5, you find 1. Now you can write 300 equal to 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5. It is factor of 300. Factor of 300 is clear. No confusion about it. Very good. Now you make two pair of factors of 300. Clear? Here you can make pair. 2 3 जा 6, 6 5 जा 30 and you make two pair. First pair is 5 3 जा 15 and second pair is 2 2 जा 4 5 जा 20. It is correct. Clear? First pair is 3 5 जा 15 and second pair is 2 2 जा 4 5 जा 20. 20 and 15 become 35. 20 multiply 15 become 300. It is correct. Clear? No confusion about it. Very good. Here you can write 25a square minus 20a minus 15a plus 12. Here you split minus 35. You split minus 35 by the help of factor of 300. Clear? You find minus 28 and minus 15. Total become minus 35. It means it is correct. Clear? Now you make two pair. First pair and second pair. First pair is 25a square minus 20a. Second pair is 15a plus 12. Now you take common. Here you can take common 5a. Here 5a and here 5a. So you can take common 5a in first pair. Clear? Here you can write 5 5 ja 25. 5a minus here 5 4 ja 20. Here you can write 4. It is clear? If you multiply 5a and 5a, it becomes 25a square. It means it is correct. If you multiply 5a and minus 4, it becomes minus 20. It means it is correct. Clear? Now you can take common in second pair. Here 15a and here 12. You can take 3 common. Minus 3 common. Here you can write 3 5 ja 15. 5a minus 4. You take minus 3 common. In brackets you find 5a minus 4. If you multiply minus 3 and 5a, it becomes 5 3 ja minus 15a. It means it is correct. If you multiply minus 3 and minus 4, it becomes minus multiply minus become plus. It becomes plus 4 3 ja 12. It means it is correct. Clear? Here in first brackets, in second brackets are same 5a minus 4. It means your process is correct. Clear? Now you can write. 5a minus 4 in first brackets and 5a minus 3 in second brackets. Area. You find area of rectangle. 5a minus 4 in first bracket, 5a minus 3 in second bracket. Here 5a and here 5a are same. Here minus 4, here minus 3. It means 5a minus 4 is smaller and 5a minus 3 is greater. It means 5a minus 3 is greater, means it is length of rectangle. 5a minus 4 is smaller, it means it is breadth of rectangle. Clear? No confusion about it? Very good. Now 25a square minus 35a plus 12. equal to 5a minus 4 in first bracket, 5a minus 3 in second bracket. You find 25a square minus 35a plus 12 equal to, in first bracket 5a minus 4, in second bracket 5a minus 3. Clear? Here 5a minus 4 is smaller, it means it is breadth, and 5a minus 3 is greater, it means it is length. Here you can write, hence length equal to 5a minus 4, breadth equal to 5a minus 3. You find length and breadth of rectangle very easily. It is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. In this way you can solve any question very easily by the help of suitable identity. Area of rectangle equal to length multiplied breadth. It is suitable identity. Identity is clear, your solution is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Here 5a minus 4 and here 5a minus 3. 5a and 5a are same. Here minus 4 and here minus 3. It means 5a minus 4 is smaller and it is breadth of rectangle. 5a minus 3 is greater, it means it is length of rectangle. Clear? Length and breadth are clear, no confusion about it. Very good. It is very easy. Clear? Like, subscribe and share is very important for me. So do not forget, like, subscribe and share. My words is clear, no confusion about it. Very good. Do not forget, like, subscribe and share it in your friends. Clear? Very good. Okay.